So once again, I was not paying attention to the time, even though it's right in front of my face. So yeah, idiots at work. So I already did these. I don't know why the heck these are doing that. But yeah, these are all the. Oh, excuse me. These are all the yeah, fire points. The fire points. Right, where the parts will shoot from. I wonder. No, it's not even. Dang it. Oh well, I already got the 2 projectiles. Right. Now. Oh my god, there's so many fire points. Oh my god. So the blue. Let me see. Pink. Okay, pink is the next. Now, launch an object. Bone 1. Wait. Hold on a minute. Oh, there's bone 2. Okay, bone 1. Fire at the 30. Launch. Boop. Boop. Now. Okay, now. See, watch this. Run the application. Now it's gonna just shoot 2. That doesn't seem very fun. Right now. So, oh, I didn't mean to start it, but okay. Get hit by a few bones. Okay, now, this doesn't seem so hard, right? If you were really trying, then it would be really hard. But let me show you. All the designs actually look terrible, so I'm very sorry. Can I, like... I can! I forgot I could do that. Okay, then I guess I'm doing this. Now. Hehehe. 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 There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. Now, to make things a little more stressful, I'm gonna do this. Gonna take this. Okay. 40. Launch in the selected direction. I think it's that way. Okay. Let me see. Yes, it is. Okay, now. Watch. This time you'll have to start like that. Which makes it even more stressful. So, like, when you're a normal player, you won't expect this. Expect this. So you gotta go to the corner, then do that. It's simple. Just not when someone starts the game. They're gonna be like this, and then they're gonna get hit. And no one likes getting hit. No one likes getting hit. No one does. So, there we go. It is a simple attack. This is how you make attacks. If you would, oh crud, I got hit. You can do cool things with this actually. I'm just gonna keep, like, I'm gonna see if I can get hit by every bone. Nope. I only got hit by 2. But it's actually pretty simple to dodge. You just go to the corner, wait, do that. Just go right over that small bone. If you wanted to be mean, then you would make it, like, go... You would make it go faster. Which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try that. 50. Okay. Now it goes at a speed of 50, which makes it even more panicking that it's going so fast. Like that. Oh, wait, that's a little easier to dodge, but whatever. Now, you don't want the bones going off the screen because, you know, when you're playing the normal game, then the bones don't just... How did I not get hit? The bones don't just fly right off the screen like all the other attacks. No, these are special. So you insert an object, you insert an active. You get rid of that, turn it black. Okay. Turning it black will make it completely invisible. Make it invisible from seeing it. Right? It'll make it invisible so the player won't see it in game. Or you can just, okay, why didn't I think of this? You bastard. The cat is after my food. No! No! You can't have that. No, you can't have that food. It's mine. Okay, I'll make it a darker green. Darker green. Just make it... Okay. There we go. That's perfect. Clone it. Oh, ah! There. How do you feel about that, eh? Stay away from my food. Now, this looks really weird because I'm not good at, like, designing stuff. But here we go. Now when the... oh.
But to be honest, we've gotten really lucky with that in the past, so I'm not even upset about that. The groove is right there. Let's do it right there. This way. I wonder why it works so good on stone.
Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. My computer screwed up. So, where were we? So now you take the bone when it collides with the, these. Right? When it collides with these, it'll, destroy it. Wait, no! I wanted to collide with... When it collides with sand, no! No, you're doing... Wait, what active? Cancel. I completely did things wrong. I am an idiot. Okay, now take the bone, collisions with another object. There we go. Okay, now you take the small bone. Where's the small bone? There's the small bone. Collisions with another object. That, okay. Okay. So don't get mad at me for, like, not setting it up. I'll show you what I'm doing. So do this, destroy. Like there. There. See? That's the simple way. Now, you don't see anything. Now when the bones excuse me. I see what I did wrong. Delete. Delete. Okay. There we go. There we go, I fixed it. Now. See, now they just disappear off the screen. Now you can do whatever the heck you want. It's your game, you can do whatever. You could make crazier attacks. Ta-da! Ta-da! I dodged your filthy attack. Stupid. Okay. Now, since this is a custom fight, you can do whatever the heck you want. So I'm going to make bombs. Not original. Non-original idea because Metaton has these bombs. Okay. Dang it. Okay, I forgot that. I make it. I'm gonna make that color. Yeah, that's good. So, clone it. Right, so these are just gonna be like little pellets. They won't, no, these are not gonna be seen. These are just action, or the fire points. that the pellets will be shooting out of. But they're special pellets. Say, watch this. Insert an object, an active, okay, boom. Okay, now I make a circle. Okay, yeah. So, outline is white. Oh, no, not that. No, not that. White, there we go. There we go. Yep. Ah, dang it. Why didn't, what? Ah, they're there. Now. This looks weird now. Oh, I know it looks weird. I know. Don't rush me. Don't yell at me. Now we gotta fill this in. Again. Well, not again, but like, yeah, fill it in. I did it wrong. Well, I'm just gonna make this entire thing white, and then I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do that. I think, yep. There we go, boop. There we go, bomb. But it's not quite a bomb yet. Not quite a bomb yet. We take this little bone. Bone bomb. A bomb bone. Bone bomb. Bone bomb. Bone bomb. Yay, bone bomb. And look. Okay. Uh-oh. What am I gonna do? Dang it! Gosh darn it. You want... Hey! Crud. Please? Well... that is a terrible bone! You know what? I'm gonna fix this. I can fix it. I just fixed it! Bone! Bone bomb. Look at the time. Alright. I'm not done yet. But I will be soon. Soon. Oof. Oh, what? No. There we go. Bomb. A bone bomb. Look at that. No, wait. Actually. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Here we go. Bone bomb. Beautiful. Okay. Bone bomb. Now what these bone bombs do. I'm gonna get this. Clone it. No, I don't want it. Clone it. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make a kind of illusion. The illusion of, making it seem like it explodes when it hits the, wall. Come on. Whatever. It doesn't need to be straight. Now. Okay. Run. Application. No, I don't want to run. Huh. Now I need make a little